Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video on this Ultrasonic skin scrubber. I was gifted this, so I just want to put that out there. However, I'm not paid or told to say anything specific. These are all my own opinions. This is pretty much what it is. It's this nice little slim device thing. I charged it up last night so I can try it today, and I actually took a look at the pamphlet. Normally I don't read the directions, but I think for this you should. It tells you how to set the 3 different modes. There's lift, moist, and peeling. And this thin curved piece on the end is perfect for your nose. The first mode you are supposed to do before you put your moisturizer on. I'm gonna go wash my face and get my face wet, and I'll be right back. I don't know if you can tell, but my face is wet. And it says for deep cleansing mode, wash your face and get water on it. This sounds legit. I'm kind of scared. Okay, honestly, I'm not exactly sure what a 45-degree angle is. It's gotta be up. Oh. Okay, I'm literally doing this without a mirror. I'm using my phone as a mirror. Okay, it doesn't hurt, but it feels like there's little static electricities going on my face. It's not hot or anything. Oh. When it's like by your ear, oh my god, it sounds like a bee or a bug is in my ear. That is crazy. Okay, and then I press it again and now it's on moist mode, but I need to dry my face off first. Okay, so I just dried my face off and I put some moisturizer on, and now I am going to go into moist mode. Oh, this one you're supposed to use the dotted side. I don't know, I'm always scared that it's gonna hurt, but it doesn't. It's like a slight vibration feeling, like it's very strange. I feel it mostly in my forehead. I don't feel the static electricity feel like anywhere else in my face, just my forehead. I think that's because my forehead's the thinnest layer on my face. Press the button again and it goes on to lift mode. Use the side without the dots. It says to clean it after every use with soap and water, so I'll go do that. This actually plugs into like a little USB charger, so you can actually charge it on your computer or on the go, like even in the car or something. So I don't see any immediate difference, but I think this is one of those things where it will take time and you'll actually see the difference long after. I think this is supposed to be really good for acne, and I have been having some minor acne, so I think this will be really good for my face. So yeah guys, I will leave the link in the description for this if you are interested in checking it out yourself. Honestly, I might do an update video later just to show you, or update on my Instagram or whatever story, just if I've seen like a significant difference or not. Or feel free to leave a comment below asking me, and then I will try to get back to that in a few days or a week or so and let you know how it's been. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this and like other things, because I do a lot of stuff on my channel. Bye guys.